Today I'm going to show you some features related to the cataloging module of the Destiny version 14. So this will be your landing page when you log into your site administrator page in Destiny for your media center. To open the cataloging module, you're going to click the cataloging tab at the top of the page, and this will be the default screen that you see. We're going to talk a little bit about how you can add materials into your collection. And the first way that you can do that is through this default screen, through the library search function. You can type in the information that you want in the find bar, click the appropriate button based on what you want to search up, and then you can narrow your search down at the bottom. You can narrow it down to the locations that you want to search, the material type, whether or not it's an award winner from a particular state, the reading level of the book, the interest level of the book, and then if it's part of a reading program, you can also code the material in this section as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to enter our title, and then you're going to get the page of returns. And these are all the items with that specific title that fit your particular search parameters. You'll notice that they all have blue textbooks. Blue textbooks mean that the item is off-site, so you're going to need to add it into your collection. If you want to edit the title, you can go ahead and click the Edit Title button to add any information that you want to add to it. Then you will save the title. And then once you're ready to go, you're going to go ahead and add the Copies button. Once you get to that next page, you can change the status of the material, the number of copies that you have of that item. You can add a specific barcode, or you can just let Destiny assign the next available barcode that it recognizes in the system. You can change the call number based on how you have your call numbers in your particular media center. You can enter a purchase price for in case the book gets lost, what type of circulation this material will have, the date you're adding it to your collection, and then you can also add some information at the bottom. If it's part of a series, you can add the volume, you can add a sublocation, a vendor to keep track of where your spending is going to, and then the funding source itself. You'll notice that you are required to enter the number of copies and the call number. Everything else is just for your specific information. So once you have this the way that you want it, you're going to go ahead and save the copies. And you'll see that this is already in your system when you get back to this screen, and you'll see that it was added with this particular barcode. Another way that you can manually enter a title into your system is to go to the Add Title function. Once again, it's a more basic looking screen. You can sort the material type. You can change how you want to search for it. If you have a barcode reader in your media center, you can switch this to the ISBN number and then use your barcode scanner to click the barcode from the book, and that will automatically populate into this screen. We're going to go ahead and search it for another Harry Potter book. It's going to search for all of the items. Now you'll notice this time that the titles that come back in the hit, some of them have the blue textbook, some of them have a red house, some of them have an A+. If you see the A+, that means it's a title that came back in your search that you have to add in there. It's not anywhere in your school district system at any of the schools. The red house means it is somewhere else in your school district. So you want to choose a record that has a red schoolhouse because all the information has pretty much been done for you. Okay, you click that title again, you'll go through this process once again. If you want to edit the title, you can edit the title. You can duplicate it. I've always just gone in and done add copies, entered this information, and then saved the copy. So red schoolhouses will help you because the title's already in there at another school in your district. All the information has been in and updated for you. And then just, if it doesn't have that, you can just go in and add it yourself. Another way that you can do this is by importing a list of materials. So before you, you want to do import titles. So before you do an import title, this is when you're going to add multiple items at once. You need to have a document of some sort with all of the titles, ISBN numbers, updated and ready to go. So you have to do that work before you can do the import titles. Before you can upload that document, you have to give the system how you want it to locate these titles on the document you're going to upload. Do you want the title matching to be strict, meaning everything about the titles that they return to you matches exactly what you have on the spreadsheet, or do you want it to be more relaxed? It's okay if it just matches based on one of these items rather than every single thing on your spreadsheet. What do you want to do with the results that come in? Do you want those results to replace something in your system if it's a better match? Do you want to skip any incoming title? Or do you always want to add the incoming title in along with what may already be in your system? For copy matching, do you want it to skip the incoming copy if the barcode matches a barcode already in your system? Do you want to replace a copy you already have with the copy that is incoming? Or always add the incoming with the next available barcode, and then you can default to assign the next barcode or add the barcode that you want it to start with. Assign copy information. So you can update that. What kind of circulation do you want it to have? And then you're going to OK it. Once all that information is how you want it, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to choose a file to upload. Then you're going to take a search from whatever you want to upload. I'm just going to upload a random document. You can view the list if you want. You can change these parameters as well. Do you want to add these titles? Do you only want the file, or is the file that you updated only have an ebooks? And then once you have this ready to go, you're going to go ahead and click Input. It says you must apply a starting bar number, so we're going to go T2451101. There we go. Actually, let's go to assign next barcode. Okay, you have to have a MARC file or MARC record attached to that. The document I uploaded did not have a MARC file. So that's something else you have to make sure you have, that you have a MARC file attached to the items that you want. And then once you upload it, you can go through the documents, see what's been added to your system, what's been replaced in your system, to help you kind of make sure that what you've uploaded has gone through.